You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
And thanks for stopping by the miniature kitchen today.
Today we are making a classic chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh, chocolate chip cookie. Now let me ask you this question. What is your favorite cookie? Not to make, but to eat.
Well, I love making it and eating it.
Okay,
but
what's
it's
that?
Oatmeal raisin.
Oatmeal raisin. I like oatmeal raisin. I especially like them with walnuts because I like nuts in my cookies. What about you?
I don't.
Then why are we making chocolate walnut cookies?
I know that you like nuts in it, so I'm going to make it with nuts.
Well, I'll tell you what we can do. When we get to that point, we'll take a little bit of dough out, maybe enough for 2 cookies.
Okay.
And then we'll not mix in the nuts, and then you could have them the way you like them.
Oh, okay.
All right, well, we'll be right back then, and we'll start making chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, so the first step is to mix the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. Okay, now I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar. Okay, here we go. Alright, this is looking good. Now I'm going to crack the egg. Alright, time for the egg.
I think the flour's next, right?
Yep.
Can I help you with that?
You sure can.
All right, let me reset up here, and we'll add the flour. We're almost set, aren't we? Can't wait.
Yeah, me neither. Actually, before you put the flour in, let me turn the oven on.
No problem. Are you set?
Okay, yeah.
How much do you want? All of it? Or
Well,
part?
a little at a time, so like
Okay,
half.
we'll see what comes out. Is that good?
That's perfect.
With the minions here, we should have made some kind of banana pudding or banana cake or something.
Oh yeah, we could have made like banana bread if we found many bananas.
They would have loved it. I guess we could just take bananas and chop them up.
Yeah.
Got just a little bit more.
Okay.
Ooh, it's looking good. Say when and I'll give you the rest, and we'll just kind of keep you in on the mixing part. You ready? Okay.
Okay, I'm ready for the chips, Dad.
All right, here you go. All of them?
Yeah, put all of them in.
Oh, nice. I like a lot of chocolate chips. All right, so we'll have to take some out before we do the walnuts, right?
Yeah.
So let me go grab another little bowl while you mix that.
Okay. That's good.
You sure that's all you want?
Yeah, that's enough for about maybe 3 cookies.
All right, here you go.
Now yours will be extra nutty.
Yeah, right? So then extra nutty because I'm extra nutty or just because there's extra nuts?
No, because I took some out.
I know. I think we're close. You want to start forming them on the tray?
Yeah, it's pretty much done.
Okay. All right, let's do that next. All right, here we go. So I was thinking we'd do 2 each for this batch so then we can taste them and then we'll have to make more.
Alright.
Now, a lot of times I've seen you actually put these in the fridge. It lets them set up a little bit better, right?
Yeah, and then
Okay,
you could
there's
also
the
freeze
size.
them.
Oh,
For
freeze them
later.
in saran wrap? Yeah, that's good too. Then you can just cut them off, right? Like a cookie log. All right, so I'm technically on the left side when we turn this pan into the oven. And then we'll head over there now and we will get these baking. All right, here we go. Into the oven they go. So we'll bake them for about 10 minutes. But how about we head over and make some more cookies so we have them.
Okay.
All right. Looks like I have a lot more than you, huh?
Yep.
Ooh,
Okay,
that's
can
good.
I have some more?
Oh, sure. You need more dough? Ooh, so that's going to be another walnut cookie. Is that about enough?
Sure.
There you go.
Mix it with the leftovers.
I'm flattening mine. You're leaving yours in cookie balls, huh?
Well, if we leave them in cookie balls, then maybe it could fit on the tray a little better.
I got you.
Alright, we're gonna check in. There's about 3 minutes left. Alright, let's check them out.
All right. I'll grab them with this because they are hot. Ooh, you could tell they look good on the bottom,
Yeah, it
huh?
looks good.
All right. So let's just say we put in 4 more.
Okay.
All right, we'll be back, and then we'll head over to the tasting table after those next ones are baked. Well, we made it to the tasting table.
Yes,
Let
welcome
me
back.
present the cookies. Dun da 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 da. Here we go. Mmm.
They look so good.
Yes, these
So
are
excited.
yours.
Okay.
It looks like yours ended up with less chips than mine.
Yeah.
So I'll get that set over here. Mmm.
I'm gonna pour some milk,
Here, I'll help you out when you're ready.
because you always have to have milk with cookies.
Yes. Excellent job. You know, you've had questions in the comments about your nails.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure always how to answer those, but the last round of questions, who got to answer them?
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I was practicing.
You typed it all in. So show everybody your nails today so we can clear all this up. All right. So those are fake nails, right? That you
Yeah.
put on, but you'd paint them after they're on.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
They're my own design.
Have you ever had some that were already designed and you just stuck them on?
Yes.
Okay.
I usually do that when it's a last minute notice.
Last minute?
We're gonna make it a video today.
Okay, so here's the bottoms. They came out nice. Let's see the bottom of yours.
Oh, okay.
They look light on the top, but I think they're good. All right, let me just crack mine here. Ooh, nice and crispy. Mmm. Mmm. Tasty.
Mmm. Mmm.
They are good. Good job.
That's a good recipe.
Yeah, I know there's a lot of cookies, especially in chocolate chips, it's a lot creamier mix. So you're not able to shape them like we did with these.
Yeah.
This came out good. Let me try batch number 2. Look at that. Ooh, that came out bigger, huh?
These are delicious.
Ooh, this is a little chewier. Look at that. Ooh, just like in the commercial. Just imagine that chocolate stretching. Good job. So I was wondering too, do you like cooking the savory dishes or the desserts more? Well, I kind of know the answer. Well, let's hear from you.
Okay. Well, I do like cooking the desserts just a little bit more. Because that's what I do more in the big kitchen.
And I'm responsible for mainly cooking dinners. And all right, well, I guess we'll learn from each other then.
Yeah, I still like making the savory dishes. It's a good learning process.
All right, great. Okay, everybody, we do appreciate you watching. Now, we rarely ever ask anybody to subscribe, but if you're there and you're not subscribed to the channel, can you please do so? Can you give the video a thumbs up? Can you share it on social media? We're just about to pass 30,000 subscribers.
Wow.
It'd be nice in 2017 if we can get all the way to 100,000 subscribers. Wouldn't that be a good goal?
That would be amazing.
All right, cool.
And until we see you next time,
Happy eating!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.